Is snoring always a sign of sleep apnea in children? Not always. While snoring can definitely raise a red flag, it doesn't always mean sleep apnea is the cause. What matters more is what comes with the snoring, like gasping for air, restless sleep, or daytime fatigue. These signs can point to disrupted breathing patterns that deserve a closer look. Call 425-814-3196 or email hello@evergreenkidsdentist.com to schedule an airway screening. At Evergreen Pediatric and Airway Dentistry, we dig deeper because every breath matters.